I'm here in a brand new Wrangler with the factory touchscreen navigation, the RHV model. Just got done installing a Crux rear camera system. So as you can see, it'll see directly what's behind you. I like to mount it to the spare tire so you can take into account the amount that the tire kicks out. You got little guidelines that kind of act as a gauge of your distance, but when you're in reverse, even on manual transmissions, it will turn on. When you're in neutral, first, second, any gear other than reverse, it goes back to your regular screen. Let me take you to the outside just to show you the camera and how neat it mounts. So it's pretty much dead center and bolts in as part of the rear spare tire. Once again, Joe here at Autosound with a rear view camera and a brand new Wrangler.